When we see a butterfly, we usually focus on the end result, a familiar icon of grace and delicate flight. It appears to move through the world with effortless ease. But reaching this stage is a rarity. From the moment it hatches, the insect must navigate a habitat filled with specialized hunters, ranging from birds and spiders to opportunistic mammals that target it at every phase of its development. This process is known as complete metamorphosis. Over its life cycle, the insect transitions through 4 distinct phases: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult. At each stage, it completely discards its previous physical structure. Each transformation is a trade-off. By changing its body to meet new biological needs, the insect invites a new class of predators, perfectly adapted to exploit its specific, temporary vulnerabilities. The butterfly life cycle is defined by these extreme physical shifts, where survival depends on outgrowing one set of threats only to face another. A gauntlet begins when the larva, or caterpillar, hatches. In this stage, the insect has a singular biological mandate: consume as much energy as possible. To grow at an exponential rate, the caterpillar must continuously chew through vegetation. As it expands, it repeatedly molts its outer cuticle, shedding its old skin to accommodate its rapidly increasing mass. This constant motion and feeding makes the caterpillar highly visible. Predators hunting from the canopy, including birds like eoras and babblers, and even foraging monkeys, can easily spot and pluck a caterpillar from a leaf. The danger is just as prevalent on the plants themselves. Ambush predators like crab spiders and jumping spiders remain motionless on the exact leaves the caterpillar needs to eat, waiting for the insect to crawl into range. The foliage is also laced with hidden traps. Web-building spiders spin practically invisible snares that can easily entangle an unwary insect in lethal silk. The caterpillar is caught in a biological bind. It must move and eat continuously to store energy for its next phase, but that same activity keeps it firmly within the sightlines of a high-density zone of predators. To transition into its adult form, the insect enters the pupal stage, trading its mobility for a radical internal reconstruction within a vessel called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, histolysis begins. The caterpillar's internal tissues break down into a disorganized, liquid biological soup. Floating in this liquid are clusters of cells called imaginal discs. Using stored energy, these discs begin assembling the adult structures: the wings, legs, and proboscis. While this complex assembly happens internally, the pupa itself is completely inactive. It cannot move, fight back, or flee from external threats. This total immobility makes the pupa an easy target. Foraging ants dismantle the vessel, parasitic wasps inject their eggs, and humans harvest the pupae as a local delicacy. This stage represents a total reliance on the energy stored during the larval phase, sacrificing every active defense for weeks to build a more efficient adult body. If it survives, the adult butterfly finally emerges. It now possesses a completely new set of tools, having replaced its leaf-chomping jaws with a proboscis designed to sip nectar. Before it can use these new tools, the butterfly must wait. It pumps fluid into its brittle, folded wings, standing still until they are fully expanded and hardened for flight. While flight offers a way to escape ground-based threats like ants, it introduces a different set of specialized aerial predators that hunt exclusively in the air. Dragonflies are pursuit predators with massive, multifaceted eyes and highly agile flight. They are capable of hunting down other insects in midair with relentless speed. The sky offers no sanctuary from avian hunters either. Birds like this bee-eater are masters of aerial interception, snatching butterflies directly out of the air. Even when the adult lands to rest or sip moisture from the mud, it remains targeted by terrestrial ambush predators waiting near these landing sites. Butterflies landing near water or damp soil to sip minerals are often intercepted by camouflaged frogs. These opportunistic hunters can strike and capture an insect before it has time to take flight. Adult butterflies counter these threats with their own specialized defenses. The question mark butterfly has wings that mimic dead leaves, providing extreme camouflage that allows it to disappear against the forest floor. The butterfly is a rugged, highly resilient organism. Its survival through 4 distinct physical states ensures its role in the broader ecosystem, serving as a vital pollinator and a foundational part of the food chain.